Hey there, it's David Baer here from Baer on Marketing and AdvisorInbound.com, and I wanted to share an important public service announcement here in this video today. I just got off the phone with a client who was alerted by their IT department that they were missing an SSL certificate on their website. Now, they called me to say, what is this and why is it important? An SSL certificate is basically a way of certifying that your website has a certain degree of security. And how secure a website is or isn't is questionable, but this gives the security a certain degree of credibility that companies like Google are interested in making sure you have. And why is this important? Because come June or July, when Google releases the next update of their Chrome browser, sites that do not have an SSL certificate are going to look like this when somebody comes to visit them. And as you can imagine, if your website does not have that secure connection, your visitors are going to not see your website. Instead, they're going to see a warning from Google that there's something that's ominous on the other side and do not proceed. You want to avoid going to this website. So what can you do about it? Well, getting and installing an SSL certificate is pretty inexpensive. In fact, you could probably do it at no cost whatsoever if you want. Companies that do hosting of websites, reach out to them and you can ask them to help you get it installed. They may charge a little bit of a fee. They may have a service where you can actually purchase a certificate. My team and I, we do this as well. We do charge a fee for the service, but we can help you get it up and installed on your website. No matter who you engage to get this done, it's important that you do. If you want to have your website navigable and not have any interruption, especially warnings like this, scaring people away from joining your website and getting all the information that you have to share, especially if you sell stuff on your website, you don't want to have people encounter this. So get your SSL certificate, do it now so you don't forget. This is coming soon, and we want to avoid any potential problems that may come when you don't have one. All right, this is David Baer, Baer on Marketing and AdvisorInbound.com. Get your SSL certificate. That's a tongue twister, isn't it? Anyway, take care of it today.